All right, guys. So this is going to be shop vlog one, and we're outside the shop right now. We're going to start doing this on a weekly basis, probably just showing you guys kind of progress of the different builds we're working on and give you a little inside look at the shop and the team. And I'm also learning video. So I hope these videos get better. But basically, we're outside Tiny Rig. We're located in Westminster, California, which is neighboring city of Huntington Beach. And behind me is one of our shop vehicles. We've got John's fourth gen Tacoma over there. We swapped the camper from his Ranger that he was rear-ended in, and we helped him build out his fourth gen before he was an employee here. That's actually our newest hire, which is pretty exciting. John's been in the industry for a long period of time and is an incredible human and obviously Alu-Cab owner, but we've known him a long time and super detail oriented. So we're lucky to have him. He's actually going to take over purchasing, receiving, scheduling. And then my red Tacoma is right here. So this is a truck I'm going to start taking out some more. We're going to start doing some trips, vlogs, things like that. And I'll do a walk around of that truck probably the next few days here. And then it's hotter than hell the last few days. So I'm going to crawl under the shop door and let me show you guys what we've got going on in the shop. This is a Tundra that got dropped off on Tuesday, and it's got a family sleeper. Really cool, adorable family is getting this. They bought the truck. We're doing some suspension for them. We got the Sherpa rack installed on there the other day. Some max tracks up top and pretty basic family sleeper build out, but kind of perfect to get them started out camping. So excited for that. And looks like it's pretty dang close. Haven't started the advanced seal process yet. Try to show you guys, like, you've got these gaps that we're going to seal up. Getting rid of the tailgate is a massive advantage for just entry into the vehicle in and out, but also the dust. So we take it to the next level and we seal up everything. But you guys can see this 5.5-foot Tundra with the family sleeper looks really, really good. And the white with the black accents also looks awesome. So we got this going on. We've got this fourth gen Tacoma that is a huge build. We got C4 everything on it, Baja lights everywhere, some new BFG tires, Total Chaos uppers, King shocks, sliders from C4, skids from C4, Lightner rack, Alu-Cab rooftop tent with some Sunflare solar up there. It's a 240 watt panel, cool panel, very affordable, but still from a good company. Kind of midway through this build, and sometimes we have to pause on stuff, right? Waiting for parts and whatnot, or kind of getting some of the shorter projects out the door real quick. But this is going to be an epic truck. I'm really excited to walk around for this one. Here's Salinas. So this is for a Grenadier, and we're prepping the roof conversion. We got solar installed on it, a front load bar, rear load bar, hiding all the wiring, and then prepping for the Starlink over here. So we've been doing a lot of these Starlink minis. We've got a really solid process for how to do it now, super clean. Now look at a GP factor mount up top. This hardware right here is the sealed hardware that we use to secure a voltage adapter to give the Starlink a steadier connection. And then right there, you guys can see another solar gland. So all that wiring will end up going into the roof, and you'll have a Starlink up here permanently mounted. A lot of times we're using factory power to control it, or the factory power switches. And then in here, we've got Andre's Tundra, which we're wrapping up this build. Pretty epic Tundra. I think it's probably going to be one of the more built Tundras in the US. So starting from front to back, CBI front bumper, Baja lights in the grill, Raptor lights, more Bajas up there with some alternating colors, methods, Geolanders, Camberg billet uppers in red, matching King anodized, beautiful custom shocks. And we did IBP in that too. So this truck is, I actually need to test drive it here pretty soon. It's going to drive really, really nice. CBI sliders. It's got CBI skids, power brakes, Sherpa roof rack, family sleeper, Baja lights more, CBI rear, rigged ultra swing, Wolfwalks camera. We've got Grant's Grenadier that we're going to be delivering fairly soon here. We just got kind of the final parts for the interior, something that he added on. This is getting a full Salinas roof conversion kit, basically the same as our shop build that we sold. So that 240 watts of solar. It's getting the Starlink up there as well. Bajas all around. Got Method wheels, Mickey Thompson tires, King shocks, bot coils. Got some beautiful rock lights in there. Hopefully you guys can kind of see that. Buzz sliders, just ton of stuff going into this one. We've also got Alu-Cab molly plates, You guys can kind of see the guts of everything in here, all the detail. Everything is getting there. Red Arc battery, that's got the GP Factor Red Arc kit, our new product, which we're launching here soon. The Garmin power switch mount with fuse block, bus bar, so that you can add everything in this entire build in there really nicely. You can see a little glimpse of those kings back there. We did a lightener offset bracket on this one to push that tire over to gain some clearance. And then we added USB port over there, GP table, Wolfbox camera over here. Then, yeah, this one's looking good. Vincent's Grenadier, more, this was me, that was my fault. More electrical in this one. So it's actually going to get some suspension from us too, but we did a lot of electrical work on this. We've got our mount in there, which let me go put my can down that I left. So our billet phone mount is released and it's absolutely beautiful. And so we actually have some cable management stuff in there too that we did on the other side. I'll have to show you guys. We've got, see if I can get that on camera for you guys. We added this USB port, which is pretty awesome. So this car is kind of a challenge for cables, and we managed to get a USB charger behind that grab handle where he's got stuff mounted, and should be really nice. We'll probably start doing that in quite a few of the builds. Right now we're working on an ICOM radio for it. He has a lot of different accessories in here, which is really cool to see. Stuff that we haven't done a ton of. Like he's got buzz steps right there and some other really nice add-ons that he's done. Lightner rack with mollies. We did the GP battery in here. Red Arc battery kit with GP Factor. We did Tow Pro from Red Arc over there. We've got his ICOM radio installed. Got a lot of stuff going on with this one. We're going to do full walk-arounds all these builds, but kind of giving you guys a sense of hopefully what you will end up seeing in some of these videos. And as I get better with the camera, hopefully you guys enjoy these videos more, but lots more to come. There'll be build walkarounds of all of these trucks. If you guys want us to build a vehicle for you, please reach out. Small team. We'll probably try to get the team involved in some of these videos so you guys can kind of meet them, see who you guys are dealing with on the phone. But appreciate you guys watching. It is Wednesday, September 3rd, and probably try to do a little update for you guys before the end of the video.